top of celebrating the 250th anniversary of the United States and the 50th anniversary of our National Mall building here in space, we're also celebrating the 50th anniversary of Emily Howell Warner becoming the first woman to achieve the rank of captain for a U.S. airline. So let's take it back to 1958, when she was around 18 years old. She decides that she would like to pursue a career in aviation. So she booked herself her first ever flight. She actually had the opportunity to go up to the flight deck and speak to the captain and the co-pilot.
Okay.
And she sat there and thought, wow, this is neat. So they got back on the ground, and within 3 days, she went and got her student pilot's license. Very quick. She was very excited. But she ultimately ended up working for where she trained at Clinton Aviation at the Stapleton Airport. She was a CFI, or certified flight instructor, teaching students how to fly. Now, while she was teaching these men to fly, mostly male students at the time, they were going on to pursue airline jobs. And she thought, why don't I do that?
Exactly.
So she decided to actually start applying for airline positions. 5 years and 7,000 flight hours later, which is more than 4 times the required amount typically to apply for airlines. She received an interview with Frontier. She started as a second officer in Frontier, moved on very quickly to be a first officer, which is the uniform that we have today, and then ultimately upgraded to captain just 3 years later in 1976.
Amazing.
And that marks the 50th anniversary here in 2026 of her becoming the first woman airline captain in the United States.